Hi, I'm Clay Souza. I'm a wedding and portrait photographer in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon 100mm macro f2.8. The Canon 100mm macro f2.8, besides being macro, is a great portrait lens. Every time you're doing portraits, you want to be on that 100mm range, and this lens is perfect for that. Besides, it opens f2.8, which creates some nice bokeh. On the macro side, this lens is very sharp, very fast, and very precise. I use this lens all the time as a wedding photographer to create some nice ring shots for my brides, and also I shoot all the details of the wedding with these lenses. It has auto, manual focus, and image stabilization. It also has 3 settings that allows you to get really close to your subject when you use it for macro. At the time of this recording, this lens was retailing for a little bit over $1,000, and it's a great price for such a versatile and sharp lenses. If you like what you see here, please consider subscribing to our channel. We also at Instagram at Clay Souza Official, where I go live every Monday and Wednesday at 8:08 p.m. Eastern Time to talk about photography. Most precisely, we talk about the 3 pillars of an amazing and desirable photography, which are lighting, composition, and posing, every Monday and Wednesday at 8:08 p.m. Eastern Time on our Instagram, Clay Souza Official. So I hope to see you on one of our lives.